Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can study openings in chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, there are two main ways which I would recommend to study openings. One is using the analysis tool on the site that is available for premium members, and the other one is the several instructions that you have in the Learn tab, as you can see on the left of my screen. Now, I'm logged in on the main page, and to get the first method, or to actually do the analysis of the games that you've played, rather, you need to go into the train or learn, rather you go into learn, then click on analysis, and from here you can choose to import an analysis or import a board, load from a library and everything, and you will get an analysis of that opening from your game if you load it up. Now, you can do that, or you can go to your account and look at your previously played games. For example, if I click on my account here, as you can see, the games I've played are here, and just click on one of them, and now you can wait for it to be loaded up. As you can see, it is analyzing the game, and then you can use the game review functionality, which is paid for if you want to do it unlimited times. And if you don't want to pay for it, it is available once a day. You can just click game review, and it'll just pretty much analyze the entire game, as you can see here. And that's pretty much it. And you can analyze the first few steps of the opening. Now, the second one, second method, which I would recommend, you go into learn and then click on openings, and this will give you an instruction set on the openings. And as you can see, you have a lot of these sort of, posts, I guess you could call them, where it is basically just instructions and everything explaining the openings. And this is just some basic info. That's pretty much it. However, you can search the internet for more lessons on openings. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.